I'm telling you all of this because you're a writer. Maybe you could use it. I swear to God, if he'd hurt himself seriously, I wouldn't have gone on living for another minute. But I'm very brave. You must understand that. I've made up my mind to tear love out of my heart. Tear it up by the roots.
And how are you going to do that?
I'm getting married. No love involved, just lots of responsibilities. Make me forget the past. Besides, it's a change. Shall we have another?
Haven't you had enough?
You don't need to look at me like that. Plenty of women drink. Some of them are open about it, like me. Most of them do it in secret. They do. And it's always vodka or brandy. All the best.
На здоровье.
You're an easy man to get along with. I'm sorry you're leaving.
Дорогая, I'm sorry I'm leaving too.
You could ask her to stay.
She won't stay now. Her son's gone crazy. First he shoots himself, now he wants to fight a duel with me. What's the point? He sulks, he walks around whining about everything and wants to be a prophet of new forms. There's plenty of room for all the forms. You know, why fight about it?
Well, he's jealous. Anyway, it's none of my business. My school teacher isn't very smart. And he's poor. But he's a good man. And he loves me very much. I feel sorry for him.
Да.
Well, I wish you the best. Don't think too badly of me. You must send me your books. And be sure to autograph them. Only don't say best wishes or anything. Just write, for Masha, who doesn't know where she came from or why she goes on living. Goodbye.